It is very difficult to get funding for clinical trials of new drugs or even old drugs because it's so expensive. The Part the Cloud grant to our laboratory allows us to move faster and further in our study of this new drug called leukein in people with Alzheimer's disease. We and others have found that inflammation is an essential part of the Alzheimer's disease pathway. That means that if we can block inflammation or modulate it, we have a chance of stopping the disease in its tracks.
Now, inflammation in the brain is normally a good thing, and it's the way that our brains respond to changes, injury, infections. But when brain inflammation gets out of control, like in Alzheimer's disease or other diseases that are neurodegenerative, then that's a bad thing. So our drug targets that and reduces the dysregulated inflammation back to normal. And so this is what we're going to be trying in this trial to make sure it's safe. And then if it's safe, that will allow us then to go into actual diseases of humans.
The essence of our research, funded by Part the Cloud, is that leukein is an inflammation modulatory molecule. And that will hopefully reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Without Part the Cloud, we would not be able to move this research quickly into the clinic to find out if it really is going to help people with Alzheimer's disease.
The grant has been a huge catalyst to advance our research in a more dramatic way and in a more rapid way, because by getting this funding, we can now make sure that our drug is safe in human adults, and we can test what dose is appropriate to use in a patient population. And so now we can concentrate on getting funding for the patient studies, which are the next step. You know, I am extremely grateful to the Part the Cloud donors for making this funding possible. It is extremely important to try different types of drugs that have potential to be effective.
We are very grateful for Mikey Hoag and the other supporters of the Part the Cloud program and the Alzheimer's Association in general for their confidence and support of our research.